This box right here, oh yeah. I had a long day, let me tell you real quick. Yo, my name is CJ, this is CJKnowsTECH, where I love to talk tech and anything creative. Okay, let's start. So, I missed the delivery, right? Okay, called them, hey, they'll hold it at the customer care center. Pick it up after 7:30. Took the longest nap I've taken in a while. I don't like taking naps, but I took a long one. Woke up, on my way there, you know, it's dark, it's raining, blah, blah, blah. Bumped the curb, popped my tire. So, long story short, it is 10:06 p.m. I left at 7:22. I'm just now getting home, and I'm gonna unbox this bad boy right now, tonight. Something getting unboxed tonight after all I went through. I ain't playing. So, you already know what it is. You've seen the title. Let's go. What color did I get? Bam! That's right. All red, product red, iPhone 10R is in the building. It's in the building. Why did I grab iPhone 10R? Yes, I have an iPhone 10s Max, Pixel 3 XL. Why the 10R? Number one, I love tech. I want to see all tech. I want to review all tech. I want to help people about tech. But there was so much controversy, so much hate, so much drama about this iPhone 10R that I just had to grab one. I have to see this display for myself. It's not 1080p, it's 2018, it's not 1080p. You really think Apple's gonna release a display that looks terrible to the human eye? Even if it's at a resolution that's not 1080. You better believe Apple gonna freak it and make it work. So let's see, I gotta see this for myself. That's the number one thing, that's the number one reason. So let's do the honors. All right, baby. You know the routine. Snap this box open. Woo-hoo. You know what I mean? Bam. You know what I mean? I never look at what's inside of here. I never knew that they include SIM injection tools in iPhone boxes until I saw someone actually pull it out in one of their videos. Shout out to Danny. Super scientific. Oh, baby. Yeah. Why did I pick red? Red is my favorite color. Although, I really like the look of the coral one. The coral one's looking nice. That orange, peachy looking one, that one's looking A1. Literally, I think after grabbing the red, I was kind of like, man, maybe I should have grabbed that one. But at the end of the day, red is my favorite color. So, bam, red on deck. Let's go ahead and do the Here it is, iPhone 10R in all of its glory. Now what I like about the 10R is its size. Now I had a dummy unit ahead of this, so I was able to feel the size. This is a great size right here. And these smaller phones with these large screen form factors, like the iPhone 10, that was a great introduction. I love having a bigger screen, yet at a small one-handed use form factor. Same thing with the iPhone 10R. It's slightly bigger than the iPhone 10 or 10s sizing, but it's at a great sizing. So, you know, it works really well. So this is gonna be a nice all-around general use device. I gotta turn this thing on instantly. I wanna see the screen. We're gonna pull up a YouTube video, you know, yours truly, and we're gonna see how this bad boy looks and performs. Oh yeah, you gotta go through the setup process and all that. It's okay. It's funny, there was a lot of hate on the iPhone 10R in the beginning. I'm not seeing as much chitter chatter as of lately, and I've seen plenty of people reporting on the display and how you gotta hold it here in order to see the pixels. Yo, you better believe this display is not gonna be, come on, man. I think right now, I just wanna say this because with all of the things lately, like the tech community is a little out of hand, man. We are complaining. We are not appreciative at all at this point, and we're nitpicking. I guess that's the state of the union right now. That's the state of the community. That's where we at, but it is what it is. Looking at this bad boy, holding this bad boy, I do notice the aluminum sides. This has that traditional iPhone feel. Man, I really like the look of this colored iPhone. Like, I wish on the iPhone 10s Max they gave us the option of red. Ooh, like the red stainless steel. Come on, man. Come on, Apple. Yo, give us what we need, man. We need more colors on the flagships. Like, this is unfair. I'm jealous of the 10R lineup and these colors. This thing looks great. I just want to get this thing open so I could open up YouTube and check out a video. All right, the moment of truth. I'm gonna take a look, you guys. Man, y'all are tripping, man. This display looks A1. Quit playing with yourself. Hey, look, let me tell you something now. Everyone had the biggest fuss. Everyone had all this doubt about Apple. You think you know your stuff, right? Oh, it's an LCD. Oh, it's this. It's only 820 something. Man, come on. If you had an iPhone 8, iPhone 8 Plus, something of that matter, you upgrade to the iPhone XR, you're getting the latest and greatest internal technology from Apple, along with the same display performance. Like, you guys were really tripping. This is like, I can watch content on this thing without any issue. It's like the most convenient thing. I can look down at my phone and know what's going on. I can see my notifications. Speakers sound great. How much battery, what time it is. Oh man, I tell you, man, some of the heat, some of the drama, some of the nitpickiness of the tech community right now, it's just all unnecessary. The only thing I will say about the display are the bezels. But beyond that, this display is perfectly fine. This is a perfectly fine iPhone. Perfect size, perfect weight. This is great. This is a great iPhone. And guess what I got for it? I got cases on cases on cases. I'm gonna give you a sneak peek of what's coming up. So if you got the iPhone XR and you're looking for an A1 case, hey yo, hold on 1 second. Look at all these. You see, hey, don't be peeking. What are you, turn around. Do you see that? That is a case of colorful buttons, which go with these Mod NX Rhino Shield cases. Yes, you can change the buttons to whatever color you want. Whatever color iPhone XR you got, you can have your buttons match or mismatch in a creative way with these. Video coming soon. That's the exclusive. I ain't giving you no more. Now look, iPhone XR, I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna mess with it. I'm gonna put it to the test. But honestly, I can tell you off bat right now, the biggest hurdle was the display, and that's not even a hurdle. We're over that one. We're headed down the way to the finish line. So, my name is CJ, this is CJ Knows Tech. I just had to get one of these iPhone XRs. I just had to look at the display. I just had to see if all the fuss and hate had any validation. Absolutely not. Back up, trolls. So far, this is looking like it might be a decent phone. It's cheaper. If you can't afford the iPhone XS or XS Max, definitely go for the XR. If you're coming from an iPhone 8, iPhone 7, some of those traditional iPhones, definitely go for the XR. If you're not used and dedicated to OLED, if you don't know what OLED is, definitely go for the iPhone XR. All right, I'll come up with a follow-up first impressions after charging this thing up and putting my SIM card in it and running with it for a full run. I'll be back. Peace.